Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To list your NFTs, head to the public-facing asset page for one of your items in press sell. You can get there via your account page or by clicking the assets under the search bar you see above. Select between a fixed price listing or auction and set your price point to February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to developer Austin Griffith, based on the current gas prices, August 28, 2020, it costs between $15 and $50 to mint a single piece of NFT artwork on Ethereum and $3 or more to send it to another account.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One of the most exciting reasons to use OpenSea is the ability to earn revenue from secondary sales on items. Every time an item is sold on OpenSea, the project owner, you, can take a percentage of the sale as revenue.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How does it work? To get started with OpenSea, simply plug in a Web3 wallet like MetaMask and go to the Browse tab. The application will automatically search your wallet for all the collectibles you have and the assets you need, like Ether, to buy items in the marketplace. 29 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.